Hey cookies, do you guys remember the movie It Takes Two? It was one of my favorite movies to watch as a child, and the Sloppy Joe scene always made me want a Sloppy Joe. So, in honor of that movie, I want to show my cookies how to make my easy homemade Sloppy Joes. Okay, we want to start with some very lean ground beef or ground turkey, and we're going to brown this, and when it's brown, we want to drain off the excess fat. Now I'm adding in my onions and bell peppers. If you're making this for your kids, be sure to chop it up really finely. They won't even know that it's there. And we're going to saute this around for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm adding in a little bit of salt to help release the moisture from the vegetables. And now I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. We'll need a small can of tomato sauce. I have a few spices, some onion garlic powder, and some chili powder. You can add dried mustard if you'd like. A little brown sugar. Oh Lord, and some W sauce. Come on now. We need some acidity, so we're going to add some ketchup for flavor. Don't skip it. And once you've added all of those ingredients, it will look something like this, which looks great, but we need it a little sloppier. So we're going to pour in some water. Then we want to lower the heat and allow it to simmer uncovered for about 25 minutes or until that liquid reduces. And be sure to taste it and add your salt and pepper as needed. And cookies, once it looks like this, that means it's good and sloppy enough to be served on a warm potato bun. And that's it for our easy homemade sloppy joes. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. And please do not forget to serve this with some tater tots. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.